And good morning and welcome to VSA Capital 5-Minute Morning Miner. It's Wednesday, October the 6th, hump day. Markets are still very soggy, horribly soggy. Interest rates are going up. Interest rates are going to go up. They went up in New Zealand today, actually, and I think they're going to go up in the UK fairly soon. And Boris Johnson says all is fine at the party conference, but I'm not sure it is. Anyway, Paul, let's crack on with a bit of mining, shall we? Again, it's a little bit itsy-bitsy, I think, today. Tectonic Gold put out an announcement. We do like Tectonic Gold.
Yeah, we got Tectonic Gold. They've gone back into drilling at Specimen Hill with a drill rig already working a 250-meter deep drill hole for the Southern Copper occurrence. And that occurrence is something where they spotted visible copper last month in the hole, but they don't have the assays back yet. So they're following that one up right away, and they're also putting in a deeper hole underneath the sulfide gold mineralization at the Goldsmiths Reef occurrence too, right after that. So we'll see what they are able to come up with, but the whole idea, I think, is to show some continuity on both of these occurrences they've already found.
Correct me if I'm right, it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. They've got most of the bits of the jigsaw, but they just need one or two more to sort of complete the picture. And if they can complete the picture, then a big boy will come in and buy them, and 5p, here we go.
Yes? Well, that's the intent, and the main thing in finding that continuity is to demonstrate there is real volume potential on these occurrences.
Stock to go to 5p now. I think I'm slightly biased. Okay, now also a bit of news out on one of our new clients that's joined the Shanghai Mining Club, which is Sigma Lithium.
Yes, that's right. They announced they have signed a new offtake deal on spodumene concentrates for their developing mine there in Brazil with this LG Energy Solutions, which is a subsidiary of the Korean battery cell maker LG Chem. And that's a take or pay contract for 60,000 tons of concentrates per year, with a follow-on commitment of 40,000 tons a year during the second phase of production. And that's a 6-year agreement, and it's based upon market pricing for lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate blended costs. So it was only made possible essentially because a number of weeks ago, Sigma filed a larger advanced phase 1 mine plan such that what had been already fully called for concentrates now had some additional volume potential, and that's now been followed on with LG Chem.
Yep, and of course it is less than a week to go to our big conference in Beijing. We've got 20 companies presenting. We do it with Mining Indaba, part of the Hive Group. 20 companies. It's a hybrid. China, over 100 Chinese investors in Beijing, and all the companies presenting online, so international people can listen as well. Do register with it. It's been a really good conference. Last year, stocks went flying as people were speaking. I see also, whilst on lithium there, Paul, we put out a research note on American lithium. So if you want a copy of that research note, please do ask for it if you haven't already got it. What else you got, Paul?
Well, we also had some new exploration drilling results out from Atalaya Mining. That's the AIM-quoted copper miner in Spain. This on 2 projects that they've had in portfolio now for a little while, but one was just acquired at this time last year. The key point to see on these is they're also volcanic molybdenum sulfide occurrences, just like the Rio Tinto mine they're currently mining on. But these grades, of course, because they haven't been mined by open pit in the past, that their grades are much higher. So we're getting tens of meters at grades well in excess of 1.5% in the drilling results they show. So definitely very encouraging for longer operating life for Atalaya.
We also had Q3 production for Ferrexpo.
What's that?
Q3 production for Ferrexpo we had today as well, didn't we?
Yes, that's right. They increased Q3 output by about 2% year on year to 2.6 million tons, though production volumes were lower by about 9% quarter on quarter because of some maintenance work on their pelletizers for iron ore. And the other thing they wanted to point out too is that they've managed to increase the output of the what I would call the ultra premium pellets, which are grading well in excess of 67% total iron, such that that portion was about 8% of total output at this point. And it's the higher you can get the iron quality in the iron ores you sell, the higher the price received, particularly with if the deleterious elements are even lower, because they mean the ESG components for measurement for the smelter and so forth will be better.
Very good. Let's call it a day there, Paul. Very good. And we'll speak again tomorrow.
Very good. See you then.